Hello everyone and welcome back. Have you ever needed to remove a single dimension from part of a dimension chain? Well, in this video, I will show you the simple fix. Let's say you are working on a project and you place dimensions by picking an entire wall and selecting all openings. You then decide you don't want to show one specific dimension from that chain. Instead of deleting the entire dimension chain and starting over, there is a much better solution. To start, hover your mouse over the dimension you would like to remove. For this example, let's remove the 38 foot and 10.5 inches shown here. Notice that when you hover over the dimension, it highlights the full chain. Now, simply press the Tab key until only the 38 foot and 10.5 inches is highlighted in blue. Once it is selected, all you do is press delete. It is as simple as that. And there you have it. That is how to remove part of the dimension chain. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.